Satya-jyoti is an experiment in changing ourselves and the way we live, in the hope that this ripple will bring about larger changes around us. We are a community living on an organic farm in a remote and poor village of Rajasthan. 20 years ago, this was a barren stretch with just 2 acacia trees. Today, one can see the result of our efforts at conservation, deforestation, soil regeneration and water harvesting. The air is cleaner, the temperature appreciably cooler, and most of all it has become alive with a variety of wild grasses, flowers, birds and small bush animals. We are concerned with the way food is grown. This is the most tangible form of prana, the life force. Our relationship with our earth brings a certain consciousness in the food that we grow as we try to nurture the soil and not extract the maximum possible in our effort to produce more. Care for the earth includes care for people. Our environment is also the community that has made Satya-jyoti their home. Starting with a group of young women marginalized by gender and social inequalities, this nucleus has grown to include the surrounding villages and is spearheading efforts at literacy, education, empowerment through economic self-sustenance. The clothes we make started as an income generation project for these women. It has become an expression of their growing confidence, individuality, and an appreciation for all that is beautiful around them and in their lives. Our clothes reflect the principles we live by. Organic cotton, because we are concerned with the food crops that are grown immediately after cotton, to avoid the use of chemical fertilizers and pesticides which destroy soil health and upsets the ecological balance. Natural fibers like oak tussar, hand-woven silks and wool made by other NGOs and rural artisans. Increasingly supporting natural dyeing techniques and learning and dyeing fabrics ourselves. No waste principle that ensures scraps and leftovers are used to create new textures and fabrics. Recycling fabrics used for training young women by using them innovatively. Our single biggest challenge has been to create high fashion garments with almost no electricity and no modern equipments. We use foot treadle machines and traditional coal irons, thus minimizing the impact on the environment. Our effort has been to bring forth the message that the most beautiful garments can be made in the most beneficial way if only one is mindful of one's actions.